Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how I made almost $285 in just one single sale. And with this one program, I have made almost $1,500, right? So I'm gonna break it down for you guys. So it's easy. You don't need any funnel. You don't want any blog. You don't want to run Facebook ads. Nothing. It's pure organic, and all I use is my Facebook profile. So I'm pretty sure that you have a Facebook profile, or if not, you just create a one, right? And after creating a Facebook profile, what you need is you need to add friends, right? You can add almost 5,000 friends in your Facebook. So I have, I think, almost 4,000, something like that. Right. So you need to add targeted Facebook friends. So if you're selling anything, so I'm selling an affiliate marketing product, which means people who have been in the affiliate marketing space for almost 3 years or 2 years or 1 year, and they have tried everything they can. They have spent a lot of time, like and money, and they haven't got any results. So I add those kind of people into my friend list, and I start posting content. Right? So I have videos, I have posts like this, and what I do is that I have a call to action at the end of the post, right? So I'm going to give you an example. So yeah, this one, right? So you can see, drop a comment, hashtag team, or send me a message. Always willing to help those or see. So this is a call to action. I had few people who commented on that, and I just simply message them and start that conversation, and then ask them the right question to see what pain points they have, and simply recommend my product, right? So this is very simple. Now, many people think that they need a website, they need a landing page, they need to have a funnel, they need to run ads in order to make high ticket sale, right? It's you don't need that kind of stuff. You just need a Facebook profile. And this strategy works even if it's on Instagram or in TikTok. The sales process is the same. You need to have that one-on-one conversation with the person, whether it's on a phone call or on the chat. And if you don't know what to say on this conversation, I have a PDF, and the link will be there in the description. You can get from there. And it's very simple. All you have to do is that maybe the first 5 to 10 minutes, you need to simply understand where they are, truly understand who they are and where they're from and what they're currently doing, and then simply move that conversation into a business conversation, and you turn that, asking questions like, hey, what do you do for a living? Are you into affiliate marketing? Targeted questions, the right questions. And then we need to dig deep to understand if they need our help, or if they have any kind of pain points. And the best way to find those people, you might be thinking, where can I find these people? You just need to go in Facebook, and there are a lot of Facebook groups that you can join, and add them as a friends, and simply start messaging. So this is one of the group. Okay, now there's a lot of, just not just one, there's a lot of Facebook groups. I'm going to simply type in affiliate marketing, and then you simply go to groups. Wait, yeah, right? And then you can simply join all these groups and start engaging in these groups, and then add friends, add people as friends, and simply start the conversation. And your mindset should be, your mindset should not be to make a sale. Instead, your mindset should be, I need to help this person, right? And the best way to do is that if you can start that conversation, and invite them to have a call with you or on a Zoom, that helps to help build the relationship so fast, rather than having the text message. Now if you are okay with messaging, then you can give it a try, but I think I highly recommend doing a Zoom call with them, and especially if you're doing a high ticket, right? You don't want to do a Zoom call for a $50 product or $100 product. You like, go for the Zoom call, like, which if you're selling $1,000 product or $2,000 product. And on the call, you can simply ask the genuine easy questions, right? Simply and trying to understand their pain points, and simply recommend the product. Now they will be having objections a lot, And yeah, if you are something serious about affiliate marketing and want to learn those kind of things, and then I have a link in the description, you can check that out. So now let's talk about a Facebook profile. Now your Facebook profile should be something like this. Now the Facebook have changed a bit. It's the dimension. I think I have to change it. So as you can see, I have a cover photo, and then I have, once someone click on that, I have a fake button, right? And they get in, they see that link. Then I'm on Blueprint, and then I have a link to book a call with me. So that's a one thing. And the second thing is that I have a link over here, right? I have one link to my, and I have a feature photo right here. And so when people see my, like when they come to my profile, they see, I have a link over here and then here, right? So most of the people click here and join my group, and then I can start the conversation there. I can get free training there, and that's how I build relationship with them, right? And you just have to follow this process for the next 3 months, which is adding friends, adding targeted friends, posting content, and then going to targeted Facebook groups, posting there as well, and people who like and comment on your posts, add them as friends. And the third thing is that start the conversation. This is the main thing, right? you know and your conversation, not, it should not be to sell your product. It should be an honest conversation just to understand the person. And if only they have a pain point and have a problem, then you recommend your product as a solution, right? So, and it's not hard, guys. It's, you just need to be consistent with the strategy and follow the sales process for at least for the next 3 to 6 months. You're gonna get huge results. So if you want to get into high ticket affiliate marketing, if you want to join an awesome community, if you want mentorship, coaching, and all that good strategy that will work for you, check out the super affiliate accelerator. There's a link in the description. There's nothing else out there, right? So they, inside the group, we have three coaches. You're gonna get mentorship, mastermind, and everything that you need to to run a successful affiliate marketing business, right? So there'll be a link in the description. Go check it out. And yeah, if you like this video, give me a give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you have any doubts. And if you want more content on high ticket affiliate marketing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'll be posting a lot more. Alright guys, thank you. Bye bye.